So check it out. Here's an update to the upgrades I've been doing to my Lionel 2055 Hudson. This is the one where I replaced the front boiler face with the one with the feed water heater on it. It just gives it a nicer, bolder look, I think. And plus the one that came with it had a broken marker light. So I decided to go ahead and give it a full restoration, and I touched up all the scratches and chips in it. And I use a flat engine black, and then I cover it with a little bit of the touch-ups with a little bit of a micro satin, and it just matches the Lionel paint really nicely. It looks great. And I also decided to go ahead and do the smoke unit while I was at it. I had to take it apart, and it had all that white residue from, I guess it's from the pellets, and it's just hard and baked right on, and it covered the little hole in there too, and I had to ream that out. And it took a little while to get all that cleaned out of the bowl. And then I put the little wick Pac-Man piece in there and used the 27 ohm smoke unit that came with the upgrade kit, and put the little spring in that keeps makes sure the piston goes back down like it's supposed to. And it really smokes great now, and it looks great. And of course, with that rail sounds tender that I really like, I don't think you can beat this combination. I've got like $85 in this, and it runs as good as it sounds as good as I think anything Lionel has going. So, and I also got a Coca-Cola flat car with trailer that came today, and it's from K-Line. And the seller said that the one of the doors were missing, but the door that was missing was included in it, and nothing broken. I just popped it back in, and so there was a couple of scratches on that too. So I used a felt or a red Sharpie pen to touch those scratches up, and so that looks a lot better now. So let's take them for a spin and check it out. Here we go. That's smoking great now. Smoke's just pouring out of it. Get the camera up this time by and kind of follow it around a little bit. See how much smoke is pouring out of that thing. It's amazing how well they work. These upgrades, they're only like $5, $6 on eBay. Certainly worth doing if you've got a bad smoke unit. Let's set the camera back down. Adjust the camera a little bit. You can see these 2055s with that magnet traction, they're great pullers too. All right. Runs great. The thing's still smoking. So I couldn't be happier with it. It was just a really great investment with that. And that rail sounds tender. Like I said, I've got $85 in the whole setup. And just as happy as if I'd bought one of the more expensive ones. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.